guys, so this video is all about this hair, this gorgeous hair, which I'm just loving. I can't stand, but it is. Look how long this is. This is 28 inches of Love Luxe hair. So I will definitely link their Instagram as well as their Facebook. Their website will be up on the 1st of November. So you can just check their website on the 1st of November. If there are any changes, just go ahead and follow them on Instagram so you can know, when the website will be up and so on and so forth. Let me get into the specs of this hair. Whether or not I love it, whether or not I hate it. I absolutely love this hair. Love this hair. I don't think I've ever gotten a texture like this before, and I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder, and I'm gonna stop right now. So I've never gotten a hair like this before. This is definitely kinky natural, man. Like, this hair is just, I love it. Love. When I was in New York, I wore it a lot because of how long it is, and for me New York was cold, so it kept me warm. But being back here in Jamaica, it is hot. I'm not telling no lie. I'm not lie, the ear up, but it's at. But I love wearing it this length. It is, I'm sitting, and it is touching, like it's like touching the chair. You know what I mean? Like, it's long until it's like touching the chair. The chair, yeah. So I have not tweezed the part. I have not done anything to the hair. This is actually a wig that I made, and yes, I'm back to making my wigs because I love versatility, and because I do reviews, I find that, I don't know, I guess I'm in my wig season because I feel like I want to go back to sewing for my birthday. Woo! I think I'll think about this one for my birthday, but for now, because I have so many reviews to do, I think for now, for this season, that I'm just been making my wigs. So Love Luxe hair, 28 inches, 4 bundles and the closure. So I think I'll have the correct specs in the description bar below. I love this hair so much. I love it. It does shed. But not like, does shed because it is kinky hair, so whenever you detangle it, of course you're going to get some strands whenever detangling it. But I love it. I love it. If you live somewhere that's cold, this hair is perfect for you. If you do live in Jamaica, then you do not have to get this length. You can get it shorter, and by getting it shorter, it looks a little bit more natural. Now if you're going to do your hair shorter, you only need about 2 bundles, because this, I forced the 4 bundles in this because I wanted it to be big, and because it's so long. Look at this. I love it. It's just so nice and big, and I have it on like a center part. But yeah, so if you're going to go shorter, probably 18 or so, you can definitely get it with 2 bundles or probably 2.5 and the closure, or 2 bundles and the closure. You don't have to go with the full 4. If you're going to do 4 bundles and you want it to be short, then you're going to get like a nice little poof. Yeah. So can it be colored? I'm not sure. I'm going to see if I can color the tips and then get back to you guys. Well, you're going to see on my Instagram. So yeah, so you're going to see if it can be colored. The owner, Melissa, has been just a gem with me. This video should have gone up, but I was very sick. I had this chip V. I had it, and you guys, that thing knocked me on my feet, man. Like, it was horrible. I mean, those pains are real, and I had no appetite. I couldn't eat nothing. It was horrible, but I'm feeling way better, so that's why these videos are like bam bam popping out. But the owner, Melissa, has been so nice to me, so patient, and I cannot thank her enough for being this patient with me. I love the hair. It's on a wig cap, as you know. It's on a dome cap, the one that has the elastic around it. So I just, oh god, I love this hair. I mean, I know words for telling us that I have nothing bad to say about the ear. It not shed to the point where it's a thin out, or to the point where it's like, oh gosh, this hair, god, I hate this hair. Like, no. And I guess it's because of the texture, because I've never gotten this texture before, and because I can just like take my hair out here at the front and it blends so well. And I guess that's why I love the hair, because I love it. I don't put no gel in my hair, no nothing. I just put on my wig cap, take out some of my hair, and then just like finger comb it into the hair, and I'm good to go. What a negative. There's no negative, and I'm not boy, I'm not oversensitive, but that hair here this hair, man, this hair is gorgeous. I love it. it's not something that I'd usually do, because you guys usually see me in other type of hair, but this one definitely for me takes the cake. I've never gotten a texture like this, so that alone has me like and then the length is ridiculous. It is long, and I love how long it is. I love how long it is. The ends are very nice for the natural, for the curve, for the natural look, so that the ends are so nice. And because it's on a wig, I can do it like deep, sweep, center, whatever I can do. It gives me that versatility, and I guess that's why I'm back into my wig making stage. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. If you're going to get this hair, definitely get it on a wig. If you don't want to get it on a wig, I would say this would be high maintenance, because you have to brush it out in the nice and probably plait it up, or brush it out in the night and probably wrap it or whatever, but it will take maintenance. Yeah, so just pretend it's like you have 28 inches of long natural hair. It really does take maintenance, and for hair that's that long, naturally you will get shedding, but because this is like on a unit, it doesn't shed a lot. Alright, but it does shed, don't get me wrong, it does shed, but it doesn't shed a lot. Tangles, boo-boo, no honey, not this hair. Oh, it does get tangled in the back, which I'm noticing about most of my hairs now, that they do get tangled in the back hair, but it gets tangled right in the back hair as I go through the day. But all I have to do is just like finger comb that bad boy, and I'm good to go. See, it's tangling, right? That's what I'm talking about, right at the back. But in terms of everywhere else, no tangles. I can run my fingers through it. I love this hair. I've never gotten this texture before. I thank you so much, Love Luxe Hair, for trusting me to review your hair. I love it, you guys. Please check out their Instagram, please check out their Facebook, and when their website launches on the 1st of November, me I be go check it out, because I'm not lie, the thing up, it make me feel like I know style like yo, I love it. I don't have much to say. I guess this is basically it for my little review, but I don't have much to say. Oh, and by the way, remember the last time I did my video, I have it up. It's like Get Ready With Me. That video was probably recorded 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I flat ironed it. I have not flat ironed it since. Okay, and it was thrown in my Scotia investment hair bag. I have a bunch of hair on the floor. Like, where's the hair? So it was thrown in my bag, and I don't have like a silk storage for it. It was just thrown in the bag as is, in no ziploc bag, in no bag, no nothing, just thrown in the bag, and I just brush it out and I just push record. So I mean, on a wig, definitely low maintenance. Highly suggest that you purchase this hair, you guys. This one I'm going to say spend your money, especially if you have natural hair. Spend your money. And because it's natural hair, you can do different things with it. You can put like beads in it, you can twist it, you can like the 2-strand twist, and oh, I mean, there's so much like natural hairstyles you can do with this hair, which I'm not gonna attempt because I know hairstylist or nothing. I just want my hair straight, it's just to the point. But yeah, so I love this hair. I love it. Thank you so much, Love Luxe Hair, for giving me the chance to review your hair. And yeah, check them out, check out the Instagram, the Facebook, it's all in the description right below. And I do have a look on this thing I have going on here, my little beat face today, and I'll link that in the description bar below as well. So that's it for Love Luxe Hair review. Love it, definitely a purchase, and I guess I'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.